Dear students, we will start a new module, module 47. This is about theoretical concepts of income from business or profession. You know that we are starting the third head of income, that is income from business or profession. Now, first thing we have to remember, what is the definition of business? This is given under section 2, subsection 13 of the Income Tax Act. Any trade, commerce, manufacture or any adventure or concerned in the nature of trade, commerce and manufacture. So many examples we can give about business. A person doing a textile business, a person doing cement business, a person doing something related to IT sector or artificial intelligence. Anything can be a business. Second is definition of profession. Both these items are combined in this head of income. So profession meaning it is defined under section 2 subsection 36 of the Income Tax Act. This definition is profession refers to those activities where the livelihood is earned by the persons through their intellectual or manual skill. It can be a doctor, lawyer, architect, advocate, anything. Now, next definition also you have to remember. Next meaning of vocation. This is also related term with business or profession. A vocation is a type of independent earning activity that relies on personal skill or talent pursued habitually for income but not amounting to a formal business or profession. A musician, a dancer, a violinist, a priest doing the religious activities. Anything can come under vocation. Now, charging provision is given under section 28. I will list out the items what are listed or what are taxed under this head of income under business or professional income. So whether if they are getting any income from business or profession, it will be treated under this head of income. Second is compensation. When you will get compensation, when you will do some consultancy related to business or profession, you will get some compensation. If it's related to business or profession, it will be taxed here. Next is income of a trade or professional association, commerce association, export association, cement dealers association. All these type of business activities, if they are earning any income, then it will be taxed under this head of income. Then export incentives. Government will give so many incentives for export oriented units, special economic zones. So those incentives will be taxed under this head. Next is value of benefits or perquisites in connection with business or profession. If perquisite meaning that's a salary term, you have to remember that it's not as cash, it can be converted into cash. Say for example, if you're getting a car, then that value can be converted into cash and that will be taxed under salary income. A driver, a gardener, a cook, like that. So if any perquisites, whether it is received as cash or which can be converted into cash related to business or profession, it will be treated here. Then salary, interest, bonus, commission or remuneration received from a partnership firm. So that we have, while explaining the term salary, I have explained that this will not come under salary income. Though it is mentioned salary, it will come in the business or profession because it's the income received from the partnership firm. Next, any amount received under a certain agreement not to carry on business or profession. Sometimes trade associations will enter into contract with all dealers or one dealer. You cannot sell below the market price or you cannot sell beyond this rate. If you cannot, your activities are restricted to certain state or district. So like that, if they are getting any compensation for that, not to carry on certain business activities, that also will be taxed under this head. Next is amount under a keyman insurance policy. Keyman insurance policy is usually taken in the name of top officials or regular employees also. Usually companies will take group insurance. Keyman insurance because if something happens in the workplace during working hours, they have to pay compensation. And especially in the case of higher positions, compensation will be more. So they will take a keyman insurance policy. Then conversion of inventory into capital asset. See for example, stock, item kept as stock, later they are converting it into capital asset. Then speculation business. Always I will mention that Income Tax Act is not differentiating between speculation business, legal business, illegal business. If they are earning income, it will be taxed. Then profit earned from an illegal business activity. If it's smuggling, selling drugs or anything. If you made any income, you have to pay tax. Now the last topic is certain incomes relating to business or profession but not chargeable under profits and gains of business. So these items will relate to, you may feel that these items have to be charged under business or profession. They are related items, but it is not charged. First one is income from house property. See, income from house property, if it's let out house property, it will be taxed under income from house property. And in house property used for own business or profession, it will be taxed under this head of income. Dividend income, three examples I have to give. Dividend income from Indian companies, fully taxable under income from other sources. Dividend income from foreign companies is taxed under income from other sources. Then, if shares are held as investment, profit or loss is treated under capital gain. Stock brokers, stock dealers. So, those who are dealing in that, their profit or loss will come under capital gain. Then, any profit or loss on the sale of business asset is treated under capital asset. They will be charging depreciation for the capital asset. If they are making any profit or gain, it will be taxed under capital gain. Then casual incomes like winning from lotteries, crossword puzzles, game shows, etc. are taxed under income from other sources. Then income from activity of owning and maintaining race courses is taxed under income from other sources. So you may feel that these items are related, but it is taxed under other heads of income. So this is the basic theoretical explanation, and with that we can do this chapter explanation. So this is what I wanted to explain. Happy learning. Thank you.